The afternoon sun cast long shadows across my yard as I stepped outside, hoping to enjoy a moment of quiet. But something was different. Movement caught my eye. There, strutting confidently across the grass, was an unexpected visitor, a hen. She pecked curiously at the ground, her feathers ruffling with each purposeful step. I watched, amused by her fearless exploration, wondering where she had come from and how she had found her way to my home. But just as I admired her presence, she stopped. Her tiny body tensed slightly, and before I could react, there it was. A fresh little gift, right on my floor. I blinked. She blinked. For a moment, it felt like she was daring me to say something. But instead, she fluffed her feathers, let out a satisfied cluck, and continued her unbothered journey, leaving me with nothing but the evidence of her brief visit and an oddly humorous reminder that nature cares little for human expectations.